Do you get this error message when you try to download or view a Google Drive file? Here are step-by-step fixes to resolve the Google Drive link error that tells you to wait for 24 hours. The error usually occurs because the file has been accessed or downloaded too many times recently, causing a temporary quota limit. Waiting for 24 hours resets this limit automatically. To bypass the error faster, make sure you are signed in to a Google account in your browser. Log out and log back in if needed to refresh your session. Open the Google Drive link in Chrome with your Google account signed in. This ensures proper access rights during download. Add the file to your own Google Drive by clicking the Add Shortcut to Drive option in the File menu. This creates a shortcut in your Drive for easier access. Create a new folder in your Google Drive, click New Folder, then move the shortcut into this folder for better organization. Go to My Drive, open the new folder, right-click the shortcut, and choose Make a Copy. This creates a copy of the file in your Drive. Download the copied file from your Google Drive. This method often bypasses the download quota limit. If this still does not work, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, then repeat the steps above. Alternatively, try accessing the file using incognito mode or another browser. If your Google Drive storage quota is full, free up space by deleting unnecessary files, emptying trash, or removing large emails in Gmail. As a last resort, wait the full 24 hours and then try accessing the file again. Following these steps allows for quicker or guaranteed access to the file without waiting the full cooldown period.
Simply click the link below to learn more.